This is Finasteride. I only brought I didn't bring out the box because I'm traveling. It's like that. It's very tiny. Finasteride is not approved to treat hair loss, thinning hair in women. So this is not for ladies. I got this from the National Skin Center from a doctor in Singapore. I tell you, this works, okay? For guys, this works to get it. But before you get it, you need to know the side effects. Okay? This Finasteride does is to block the body production of male hormones in the scalp that causes hair loss. So how I take this is a 1 milligram dosage and where can you buy it in Singapore? The cheapest way to get Finasteride in Singapore is to go to a polyclinic, get a referral letter or National Skin Center, and then you go. With that letter, you go to National Skin Center to obtain the medicine, which is time consuming. The fastest and shortest way is to go for private clinic, dermatologist. My friend a few weeks ago, he mentioned that he bought like a Finasteride in Thailand. There's no prescription needed in Thailand. You can buy it at Watson's. It costs 1,365 Thai baht for 28 days. That's 1 month supply. It once daily, and after 1 month, he's starting to see like baby hair growing. Yeah, that's good, right? Within 1 month, you get baby hair. Now it's the side effects. I started this quite some time, and then I experienced the side effects. I had lower libido. Basically, your sex drive would drop. It would decrease. Okay. I got like scared. So I'm like, oh my god, is this the end? So and then that's where I stopped for like a few months of this medicine. Went on to try shampoo again. Hopefully it works. No, it did not work. So the shampoo thing, hair loss tonics serum shampoo don't work, okay? But if you take this and if you have side effects, how I mitigate this is to